I will present you a slice of my PhD research, comparative analysis of Sentinel-1 InSAR ground motion data dissemination strategies. So just quick reminder, Sentinel-1 has a SAR image sensor, which acquires SAR data, and it's free open source, right, imagery. And long story short, if you put two SAR images that are in same geometry, you can do InSAR analysis, and you can form an interferogram, and some measuring of displacement of points in the Earth's surface uh, can be calculated. So if we have persistent scatters, some points that are stable during the time, you can do a time series analysis. And if we say that we have Sentinel-1 A and B from 2015, you can actually do that for the last 10 years. And we can call that InSAR points. And if you have a lot of InSAR stable points, you can actually conduct a great analysis and put together ground motion service at the scale of city, at the scale of some region, and actually at the scale of country and also continent. So the greatest ground motion service out there is European ground motion service, which is actually not so European because there are some countries that are missing from the ESA membership. So Bosnia, Serbia, Albania, and North Macedonia. So there's some kind of gap. And the main idea is to conduct research and provide Serbian ground motion service, for example, to be as a complement to the European ground motion service. But also the question is, what is most suitable data dissemination model from Serbian ground motion service? So there was analysis, comparative analysis of all kinds of ground motion services in the last 5 years or so. It's something that is emerging. So we have European ground motion service, we have ground motion service of Norway, ground motion service of Sweden, Germany, Dutch ground motion service, Hungary, so Romania. So there is a lot of geoportals, different way of thinking, different uh, presentation of the data, and all kinds of tools that are different. So there was we want to ensure what is to ensure objective and comparable evaluation of these ground motion services. So the evaluation was conducted through 6 thematic blocks of criteria: visualization and interactivity, analytical function and data handling, base maps and cartographic layers, data quality, reliability, interoperability, availability and support, and so on. So there are a lot of criteria, a lot of weights, and a lot of grades. So I don't want to speak about that. If you are interested, you can scan the QR code at the end and to see what are actually resulted. But conclusion is that key takeaways from this comparative analysis is that it should be customizable visualization, geoportal with advanced analytical tools, with data validation and transparency, so you can check and be sure about the data quality, and of course interoperability, conduct in align with INSPIRE and OGC, cartographic support, and also projections that are based on national projections and also commonly used projection, bilingual in domestic language and in English, of course. So that's like that's the catch: service with flexible tools, transparent data that are most usable and trusted. So SRB GMS must combine scientific reliability with operational applicability. So that's everything. You can check the paper.